Hello, and welcome to the My Day 12 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. We're almost at the end of this month, and I really hope that you are enjoying it so far. I hope that you have found it practical, nourishing, and empowering. If you have, I would love to hear about your success story. Please share it in the comments below. This eating plan is designed to help you reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. It focuses on providing you with the essential nutrients your body needs while simplifying your meals and eliminating the need for counting calories or restricting food groups. Instead, we prioritize whole, unprocessed foods that are naturally nutrient-dense, satisfying, and supportive of your well-being. Let's dive into today's meal plan. Day 12. Breakfast, 1 medium banana, 1 tablespoon nut butter. It can be almond, cashew, sunflower seed, or peanut butter. And 1 hard-boiled egg. This breakfast is not only delicious and convenient, but also packed with essential nutrients to keep you fueled throughout the morning. The banana provides natural sweetness and potassium, which is great for energy. Nut butter adds healthy fats, protein, and fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. And the hard-boiled egg is a fantastic source of protein and vitamins, like biotin and choline. Lunch, 2 slices of whole grain bread. It can be rye, whole wheat, or another variety. Low-sodium turkey or ham, 4 ounces, lettuce, tomato, peppers, or onions. This lunch option is not only nutritious, but also customizable to your liking. The whole grain bread provides fiber and complex carbohydrates. The lean protein from the turkey or ham is a great addition along with the fresh vegetables. This combination ensures that you're getting a good balance of nutrients, including fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Feel free to get creative with your choice of vegetables and condiments to make this sandwich your own. Snack: 1 2-cup low-fat cottage cheese and 3 or 4-cup raspberries. This snack is high in protein and fiber and low in calories. Cottage cheese is a great source of calcium and phosphorus, which are important for strong bones and teeth. The raspberries add natural sweetness and are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Enjoying these two together can help curb your appetite and keep you feeling full until your next meal. Dinner: baked chicken, 4 ounces, that's without the skin, 1 cup Brussels sprouts, and 3 per 4 cup diced sweet potato. Roast vegetables and garlic, black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. This dinner option is not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. Baked chicken is a fantastic source of lean protein, and the Brussels sprouts and sweet potato provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Olive oil adds healthy fats, and the garlic and black pepper provide flavor. This meal is well-balanced and satisfying, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. And there you have it. Day 12 of our 30-day healthy lifestyle eating plan. Remember that while this meal plan provides a solid foundation for healthy eating, it's essential to listen to your body's needs and make adjustments when necessary. You know yourself best, and your body will let you know what it requires. So if you feel hungry between meals, have a healthy snack. If you're not hungry for a particular food group at any of the meals, it's perfectly fine to skip it. There's no need to force yourself to eat certain things if you don't have an appetite for them. Throughout this journey, I encourage you to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Water is essential for many bodily functions and can help keep you feeling full, energized, and focused. So make sure you're drinking enough water each day. I hope you're enjoying this series so far. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know how you're doing in the comments below. Share your experiences, ask questions, and stay motivated. And remember, you can download the complete 30-day healthy lifestyle eating plan, including all the daily meal plans in a beautifully designed PDF guide. It's a fantastic resource to have all the meal plans in one place for easy reference throughout the 30 days. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and let's continue this journey towards a healthier, happier you. Take care.